Hello everyone and welcome to this week's plan with me. I grabbed a mini kit I had in my sticker box from XOXO Glitter and Glam. So I'll leave the info down below. I'm not sure if this is a shop anymore, but if I can find anything, I'll leave it down in the description. Now this is a 2-page mini kit, so I'm not going to use like all of the stickers, but I also brought out some washi from the Pink Room Co. I think I'm just going to do like a bit of washi on the bottom of the page maybe. And this is just a simple like white and gold like lace kind of washi. So yeah, let's get started here. So this is like my second time doing this voiceover because the first time my throat was just like not having it. So hopefully this audio sounds pretty good. So yeah, my allergies have been acting up all weekend. Literally like watery eyes, coughing, sneezing, like everything allergy has been going on this weekend. Anyway, this week there's like so much to do. You know, it is like a design week. I think that's what I'm purposing this week for. And also next week. Next week is also a design week, I think, because I just want to work on so many designs, work on so many things for the shop. So I think sitting down and having these like design days and like weeks to do things, I try to do so many things at once that sometimes I just need like a whole day to just do certain things. And I think that's what we're doing for this week. Just kind of like working on like the normal stuff, like the orders and all of that. But in between those, I'm just going to do like a whole bunch of design work. There is no $2 Tuesday, so I don't have to worry about that for like on Mondays, like listings and things, you know, because that's usually when I do like all the listings, video and all of that for Tuesday. But there are a few things I want to do before the week is technically over. I did mention on Instagram that doodles are on sale because I am redrawing and reworking on those. Some of them are going to be the same kind of like, you know, like the flag banners. I think are going to stay flag banners. For the first release though, I think I'm just going to do like the everyday type of like pastel doodles that I have, and then I'll just do like the collections as I'm working on them. I think the first one though is the Shelly mermaid collection though, because Shelly is coming back. She didn't get a lot of work done, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And then I'll probably do like she's the seahorse, by the way, in case you were wondering. And then after that I'll just do a little bit more of the seasonal like tropical like doodles in that color scheme. I'll bring out some of the spring ones. I think I was gonna do a new collection in between that, but like some of those are staying the same, but I am reworking the way some of the other ones look and taking out some stickers as well. So I know Frankie the Frankenstein had a whole bunch of stickers that weren't in the other collections for like summer and like spring and things. So some of those are leaving the shop just because he had like way more. So I'm trying to keep them all even between them. Like I said, I'm reworking them. I'm trying to take things out, put things in. So there might be new things to those collections. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. This week is a little bit all over the place because there's so much to do. The original doodles, if they are in stock though, are 60% off. They should be up through I believe the end of March, so you have a few more days to grab them. But yeah, it's the last stock of the current doodles, so anything that's actually in stock is on sale. Once they're sold out, they're sold out. And I think there's so many sold out because I wasn't really restocking those. I was doing those made to order the past year. So there's a very, very select few ones in stock. I also need to do April freebies. They probably won't be done by like this Friday. If you're watching this, which is like April 1st, but the second Friday. So that would be April 8th. That's when I think the freebie for April is going to go live. Make sure you sign up for emails and the Facebook group if you haven't already. But they are on the list of things that need to get designed. So that way I have some releases for you guys for those. Quick thing, just because it came to me. Now with Doodles being re-released, I think April 1st, I'm not sure if there's going to be a kit for that day. maybe not. I'm still kind of seeing what I can get done before then. So I know there's a lot of kits coming out this week. I was working on those, or I guess last week. So there's a ton of kits from last week from the shop on Friday, but I'm not sure about this specific week, which I guess would be April 1st if you're watching. I'm trying to think 2 weeks ahead for this one. But yeah, just check in on Friday. I'll do the new release video as usual and show you guys what's actually getting released. I also started writing down, like, in my own notes, anything that I have started working on but maybe haven't finished kit-wise. I know I'm always constantly working on kits, and then I'll name them something, and then I forget that I'm working on something specific. I know there's a color scheme somewhere because I tend to go by color schemes in my head, but the names of them I always forget. So I'm literally going through all the files trying to figure those out. But like I mentioned, I'll see how much I get done, and I'll see what I can release, and I'll see how much I can actually release during that April 1st release, because there's a lot going on. Oh, I almost forgot. So I also bought new herbs this week. So the new ones I bought were mostly to replace the old herbs that died last year. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure I mentioned something about this in one of my plant thingies from last summer, that I bought some, but the ones that died, like the basil, mint, and cilantro, the cilantro died because it was too hot. It basically bolted, which means it flowered super quickly, and then it burned in the summer. But it was also the week that it was 90 to 100 degrees, so I don't blame it, and it was just too far gone to save. And then the moths took over the basil and mint around that same time, and with their offspring of caterpillars, and then proceeded to eat them all. So this year I'm keeping those specific plants inside in the dining room, that usually gets the most sun during the day. So I think they should be fine, but I'll keep an eye on them, and I'll keep you guys updated if you want to know. Because I don't really want to put nets on all of them, since there are so many of them. And if you're wondering where I bought them, they're from a website called Bonnie Plants. They get delivered to your house, and they sell herbs and vegetable starts. I only bought herbs though. I only bought my top favorites, so we'll see how they do. I'm hoping they're fine if I keep them away from the moths and the harsh elements of Southern California. We should be fine. Other goals that I've been trying to do is post on Instagram stories more, so you might see a bit more updates there. That is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll tag everything down below. I did use extra doodles. Some of those are leaving the shop, so make sure you go grab them if you're wanting some specific ones. I'll leave the link down in the description for those. No code needed, but this is the last week to grab them. Stay tuned for Friday's video of new releases. I hope you guys have a great and fabulous week, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye everyone.